We want to graph the solution of the system of inequalities, and the solution region will be the intersection of the shaded regions of each of these inequalities. So notice I already have graphed 2x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 10. There is the graph of that inequality. Let's now graph that inequality. I'll begin by looking at the equation y is equal to x squared plus 1. That is a parabola opening upward, and it's shifted 1 unit up. So the vertex is 0, 1. Let's put a few ordered pairs in here. If x is 1, 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. And if x is negative 1, I know I'll get 2 also. So here is, there is my parabola. Now you have to not pay attention to this graph a moment and just concentrate on the parabola. We will either shade inside the parabola or outside the parabola now that we go back to the inequality. So how do we decide? We choose a test point just like as for linear equations. So our test point, I'll use 0, 0. If y is 0 and x is 0, is this true or false? That is a false statement, so I do not shade where 0, 0 lies. That is outside the parabola. I shade where it doesn't lie. I shade inside of the parabola. So inside of the parabola will be the graph of y greater than or equal to x squared plus 1. Now, the solution region for the system is the intersection of the solution regions for each of these inequalities. So where will that lie? This line and above, within this parabola, these shaded regions intersect. So here and above is the solution region of my system. This intersection does include this piece of the line and that piece of the parabola and that piece of the parabola.